Hey guys, Subaru WRX coming to you guys with another video, and this is a big one. So I installed a Grimsby charge pipe on my car not too long ago. Car was working beautifully fine until we got to the inlet. Now I know a lot of people with Subarus, they always get the charge pipe and the inlet pipe. People say do the inlet pipe before the charge pipe. I did the charge pipe before the inlet pipe, and we had a major issue. So as you see here, this is my inlet pipe, my plastic one, old crappy OEM one. Yep, I know. And this is where the bypass valve went. So as you can see, it broke. Literally broke, and I was losing boost. I never knew I was losing boost. So I went to Grimsby. I ordered my new V2 turbo inlet pipe from Grimsby. I installed it. The car is running magnificent. A lot of whoosh sounds. And also, what I also like about the Grimsby turbo inlet pipe is that they don't have these two little slots in here, which hence resonate air and I guess what people say airflow to the turbo. The Grimsby one is more direct and more sufficient in airflow to the turbo, and the diameter of this is a lot bigger, hence more airflow, better boost, more power, more whoosh sounds, which everybody loves. Installing did not take very long. It took me about half hour to do. Getting these bolts out, I was a little scared and hesitant about them because I didn't want them to break. Rather than that, it was a very, very simple install. Another reason why I got it is because, like I said, this broke off of here, hence resonating less boost, no sounds, no whoosh sounds, which everybody loves in the Subis. Very easy install. I would highly recommend getting the turbo inlet pipe from Grimsby, which I truly love. Was a great buy for me. I will post a video of me driving the car with the Grimsby inlet pipe. Like I said again, so much more better. All the hoses and everything like that, everything that came, all the parts, perfectly packed. The videos on YouTube were so great, and I truly appreciate Grimsby for helping me out with everything. So big shout out to Grimsby. So like I said, if you guys are looking to do any upgrades to your turbo, do the inlet pipe first before getting the charge pipe. Like I said, I saw the charge pipe first, made a big mistake, and the whole entire port where the blow-off valve goes broke. So again, guys, another video come to you guys from Subaru WRX 17. Happy Subi and more boost sounds. See you guys.